As you can see, there are two types of observation, participant and non-participant. Participant is when the researcher interacts with the group being observed, and non-participant is when the group being observed doesn't know they are being observed. The use of observation as a method of data collection may suffer from a lumbar problem, which is not to suggest that all or any of the necessarily prevail in every situation, but as a beginner, you should be aware of the potential problem. The first one is Hawthorne effect. What is this? Hawthorne effect is when the individual or group become aware that they are being observed. They may change their behavior. It can be positive or negative as well. The second problem is observer bias. There is always the possibility of observer bias. If an observer is not impartial, he or she can easily introduce bias, and they know easy way to verify the observation and the inference drawn from them. The third problem is the interpretation drawn from observation may vary from observer to observer. And the last one is possibility of incomplete observation and or recording. Observation can be made under two conditions. They are natural and controlled. Observing a group in its natural operation rather than intervening in its activity is classified as observation under natural conditions. And introducing a stimulus the group for it to react to and observing the reaction is called controlled observation. There are many ways of recording observation. The selection of a method of recording depends upon the purpose of the observation. The way an observation is recorded also determines whether it is a quantitative or qualitative study. And keep in mind that each of the methods of recording an observation has its advantages and disadvantages. There are four main types of recording observation. They are narrative recording using scale, categorical recording, and recording on electronic devices. The choice of particular method for recording your observation depends upon the purpose of the observation, the complexity of the interaction, and the type of population being observed. It is important to consider the factor before deciding upon the method for recording your observation.